In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file and database to Hostinger in 2025. If you're ready to dive in, let's start by opening up your web browser and heading over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll need to access your account by logging in. First, locate the Hostinger homepage, which is the central hub for all your website hosting needs. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll find this option on the homepage. The dashboard is essentially the control center for managing your sites, where you can see an overview of what's happening with your website. It provides you with quick access to all its subsystems and is your go-to spot for any website-related tasks. From the dashboard, look for and click on the File Manager option. The File Manager is an essential tool that acts like a simplified file explorer. It lets you view and manipulate the files associated with your website, all within the Hostinger panel without the need for an external FTP client. Once you're inside the File Manager, you'll want to focus your attention on the navigation options presented to you. Locate and click on the File Upload feature. This function is critical, enabling you to upload new files directly to your website server. Now, after you've made your way to File Upload, it's time to actually get your files onto the server. To do this, find and click on the Upload button. A dialog box or a new window should appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's directories. Here, you can select the file or files you've prepared for uploading. Make sure these are the correct files that you have carefully vetted and are ready to add to your website, because uploading the wrong files can cause issues later on. After you've selected the desired files, confirm the upload. This part of the process might take some time, depending on the size of your files and your internet speed. A good tip during this stage is to be patient and ensure your internet connection is stable while the files are being uploaded. In case timeouts or errors occur, simply retry the upload process. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your files to Hostinger. By following these detailed steps, your website's files are now securely hosted on the server, allowing your site to function as intended. Remember, if any challenges arise, Hostinger's support team is available to help. Thanks for following along. Keep practicing, and you'll soon become a pro at managing your web hosting needs.